So here's 95-year-old Dave Van Aken flying today down at Clapper Field. It was a beautiful day. The wind was a little bumpy, but otherwise fine for flying. And you can see in the video here, he actually had very good control of the airplane most of the time. The only problem is towards the end, and you will see this. I slowed it down to super slow motion at the very end. And the fact is, he couldn't have done this if he had been trying. So take a look at this. The whole episode was shot with my new DJI Mini Pro 4, which I'm practicing with and learning all the time. One day I'll get it right. You can see here at the bottom of the screen, he actually catches the windsock with the prop, and the left wing just hits the pole enough to give it a spin around, and it pirouettes gracefully down to the ground, landing on its gear. And after a quick checkout, the plane flew again the same day. Lucky man.